Yes, good evening. You know, ALTON here, normal boss, Richard Brown Films, Jammy with Entertainment, Paradise Nation Entertainment, and I just want to say thank you to everybody that has been supporting me over the months. Thank you to everybody that has been making donations and showing their love and support. I want to say big up to Navlet Reed, Melana K, Mickey, Bill Brown, Will Enterprise, TNT, who else? Everybody. Jacqueline Dixon, one of our member. Yeah, big up on yourself. I just want to say, subscribe, like, share, comment. I'm tired, seriously tired. Right now I just sleep more and sleep right now because when I be a shooting I go on and I do a lot of work. So when we see movie them and then come out, but it kind of seems slow, but the work I put in. I want to put out good content, right? So subscribe, like, share, comment. You can't say Paradise. Paradise Nation Entertainment Subscribe, like,
share,
comment,
and hit the bell.
Yes, hit the bell.
Thumb finger too.
Yeah. Put up a thumbs up them, you like them on the video. Put them up a thumbs up them. And what's the name?
My name is Artisha Cook.
Hold on. Slow it down and make them can understand.
My name is Artisha Cook. K-Cook.
K-Cook. And where are you from, K-Cook?
Hospital.
Wait, come. Because I get to understand, say they are twins. And this is, what is the name again?
Artisha.
And Claytisha Cook. Cook. Yeah. So, and they are, how old will you be?
I'm 9 years old.
And they are twins?
Yeah.
Right. Nice people, we just met them today with their shoot. And then we do up the stuff. Watch it! The movie star them! Here, Nina. So, you know the surprise you see me?
Yeah. The first time I'm seeing you, and I like to see you, and I like to do a movie with you.
You like to do a movie with me?
Yeah, I want to do a movie too.
Alright, we probably have to put it on and movie them then.
One day,
which part do you come from?
Moby Kingston.
Moby and Kingston?
Yeah.
I will tell them mommy if you carry down one.
But me have a film, Talman phone number.
Alright, so Talman, we call her mommy.
Me I come back over here Friday for phone tablet.
Alright, so Friday then we probably can do a shooting here.
Okay. Hey.
I go link Jeremy and I make you know say me a cut. So I go stop up here and link him and them. I come, but you don't go left me now, my family so. Alright. So I go call him. Don't go left me.
With your person I go and make fire. Hurry up.
Yeah man.
You do homework?
Jeremy!
Yep. Yeah.
Why cause the people live here?
Hi honey.
What?
You do it.
You know, say me have something to tell you.
Okay, what's up?
My mommy just done cuss. Big cuss, quarrel, everything.
So your mommy a cuss for now?
You know, say she over here me I talk to my friend and say we go a party. And how me have one bad and wicked last night because she think me that sleep and make up the bed and everything and left the bed. And then she go hear me talk how me a go and bad in a party for her.
But they are going bad for you?
That be foolishness, man. But she said me to come out. So me go look somewhere go so me a cut.
No boy, you can't come stay with me. You can't come.
I have 1,000 people live with when me I go sleep.
Yes, watch you now. You can't come stay with me, man. You can't sleep side of me. And me alone sleep.
And I hear all your brother them sleep in peace bed.
No, them sleep on the ground. Don't stop the foolishness.
You know me can't hold this, Jeremy.
Babes, relax now. You know how long me been waiting for this. Me understand, say. Me there so still, but you know so nice, you know so 100. But we can't make it work. Just let. Where you never go by the way?
Me don't know me tell you. We go to the grill, go look somewhere so.
Babes, listen to me. don't go down there so with them, because that's a foolishness. What them care go down, nigga, the next thing you hear, you walk and man, a business after you. You mad somebody? Just come here son, and stay with me. You know if you kill up yourself and stress out yourself.
B, nothing go on here so. Me can't stay here so with you and live with you and 12 people.
So that means saying I believe in me then, because listen to me now. I try to make sure say you're relaxed and come with them. Just stop the foolishness, man. Where I go with them? Say, Mama, she so come. Come on, man.
Me say me nah go. Me mother rule me, you want rule me, I see him thing go on. Me say me a left.
Me not try for rule. Just stop the foolishness, man. Where I go?
You can't take it.
Come here, man. Where I go?
Let go of me now, brother. Let go of me now.
Come on. Yo,
let go of me now. We kill him. Yes, Ashley. Nobody kill him. Make him stay now. Come on. No kill him. Nobody kill him. Come on. Bright. But me not fi go nowhere we don't know. Me not fi go nowhere. Bright.
Well, so we need to go.
I will first say something, I'm here, are you?
Are you?
Alive. So you can wait for me to say something?
Long to blood.
Jano star. Alright, me think... Alright, let me say something. Come. Ready, Alton? So me not understand how Browning left you. But I want nice house this. The house look nice, enough. Come go try a boardhouse and nothing on the boardhouse. People can live in a boardhouse and then them try and work up to build and one little wall around it, you understand? But if you don't have a way, you go do. I don't know how Browning left you gone. You understand? Some people don't have no way to live. She should have thank God she have one man like you. What that me say?
No.
I don't know if you say no that you did say me I was say so.
But
So we are shoot for Alton.
no, but I don't know. I fire. No, me just wait for her to say a bag of things, but she not say.
Oh, me did say enough more sitting. Me never know. True, you say me fi talk about the house. Wow.
Her ear though.
Oh, talk about me ear now. I did say it in us, but that's what me don't know if I right now.
You have to talk about no, like about one scene we have, and there's a chatting scene.
Oh, alright, Alton, delete it. Because it look like you just want me to talk straight, all of them. So, delete. What you say? Talk about the house first and then me hear and whatever.
Alright, me go chance.
I'm say me go, what are you give me money for do me?
Me
hear
money.
And
remember.
no, me know and I'm going over this so far.
Come over so.
Oh, so delete Alton. Me go come here so then. Come here so. So me come here so Alton so you have it for me and have it for him.
No man, go on to do and come back.
Oh,
Just
see
come
they
in, man.
near
Me say
it.
that- No, me I fix it now.
Oh. So when me come in, I go say,
I think I can buy a flat print up on the blood clot wall.
I need a money can do it. Good money will come
But the
down.
thing is a place man from because you see it's enough of black thing.
Wait there, Alton, don't shoot me. You need that. Wait there, when me come in,
You
I
go
mean,
here and come and do your case.
yeah.
You go later. Of course you go later. Can't talk from this.
Oh, not talk about the house yet. Just talk about me ear first.
Yeah, talk about everything.
Everything, alright.
But when you come in and you go do your ear and
Eh?
do your ear and come.
Yeah.
So we are both later. I will go last time.
Oh, alright.
You enjoy yourself. Yeah, exactly.
How did it go last night?
I
Okay.
go do here now.
So me go last night and me ear never do.
No, you just go boom over here.
Okay. Alton, tell me.
Ready?
Babe,
Bunny down.
hang on.
No, that's here.
Then just groom it up. Because I was the last time we did coat and then he had dancing and singing, me hear it kind of fuzzy up and pull up, you know. So I just go groom up it. And I stand and do my face. Yeah. You like it? Look.
Yeah, man, that go and go there.
Look nice, not true?
Wait, come back.
Oh, yes, so we go sit down.
I know you want to sit down if you place.
Alright, so you go up this one, so. Go back outside and come back in.
Go back to sit on the bed, that's all I do. Come on the bed, that's all.
Oh, don't sit down here, so. Alright, so go back out, Alton.
Ready?
I go on there.
There, what the top, what going?
Me there, man.
You get through?
Yes, me go groom up me hair, cause last night after them party in there. What go on, babe?
I'm there, chill out, but it take long though.
You know, say, me love when my hair don't need to do nice, not sure it look good. Girl, them down you can do hair real bad.
Yes, again.
Again?
Delete it. Delete it now.
Delete it.
Take back a while, delete it on this.
Alright, ready.
You take that already?
Alright, so you start, I said, it take long. When you do second one, can do here.
Alright, start over back from the beginning?
From the beginning, yeah.
Alright, walk on, babe. Start.
Yeah,
Say too quick, you ain't ready yet.
Alright.
Tell me when Friday, Alton.
Ready.
Walk on, babe.
There, it's a wake up. It take long though.
I say, girl, them down you can do hair good. And that's something to start from?
This is what I say answer me.
Alright, what you say? You say me take
long.
Yeah, so.
I say, do them hairstyle and take
Oh.
time, you know.
Oh, yeah.
But that's what they can do.
Which that I choose still, because it take then here and take long for you, but I never did think that. Come and start over.
Ready.
Ready now? Walk on, babe.
Jump asleep, you know, so you take long for them.
You know, so then kind of hairstyle that take real long for do, but she did good though. Then girl, you them bad pan hairstyle down here, and I know say I saw them bad.
Yeah, man, down here good, man.
And look at my face, me do. She do my face too, me do it. Look at it.
Put a makeup on it.
Yeah, me do my face, look, you know look good?
Yeah, man.
Look nice? Thank
About-
you.
About 7 o'clock, we go have dinner, and then after dinner, we go and beach and go to the reggae show there. None of them.
Something there, roots bamboo tonight to me see it on the net.
Alright, so.
You want to go roots bamboo?
We can't get one of them, man. I'm more than one of them.
Got big things there, Alfred, you know. But which one you want to go?
Any one of them. We got one
Roots
of them.
bamboo.
Alright, so we got one of them.
Alright.
Any one I keep, one of my
Alright. Can spend like a time at Roots Bamboo, then we go down to Alfred's.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Why? I like it.
You know what I mean? The hair she bright and face it.
Ready? No, chat.
Okay.
Get love if I need to what we like.
Yeah.
You ready now?
No, chat.
Yeah, man. So, yeah, man. That's why I go with that. And if the who can, if it's my time, something I'm fair really easy. Just make it time. Not worry about that. But oh, you have fear man left though. Yes, that good man. Can me see a TikTok, you know? Listen. I call it. What we can do as part of them, it's because we can do film part. So yeah, Candy, you're a partner of tell me about what you do film, man. Say take him out of school, you know what I mean? Because I'm a younger boy, if you take him out of school, to teach him how to do things, how to do this, how to do that. And he just the boy, you know, achieve by hamburgers. Yeah. So take it from those. So me ask you now. Ready now, you?
You ready, Alton?
Alright, so yo, so oh, that's a good man. Because you think yeah.
Start over.
You're such a good woman. I know I don't understand how fear man achieve by and you know what I mean? And make you happy. Worship relationship. Come see a TikTok, you can cook, you can clean, you can every look at thing full of vibes. So why problem with you and him though?
Why? You know one way, I'm glad saying gone. But you know one way, let me tell you something boy. You see him now? I take him out very young from school. At school, I take him out, you know. So he's younger than me. And I teach him a lot of things. Whole heap of things I teach you there. But I think too when you reach a age now, we more mature and understand life. You understand me? So as I go still, there's more time when the big woman them take up the young youth them. Things do happen, so you have to understand.
Alright, so I feel him loses still, you know what I mean? So
and a little bit of things I do for him, you know. He's very ungrateful. If me even sorry saying gone, I'm glad saying gone. In a one way. In good at one place, man. But you're girl to know good man, you know, cause she's glad me meet you.
Cause you know. I go on, mama. You know, so right now, no, that can't mean, no. You can't get me back here now because, like I say, I tell you, I have a little limit time when I dad St. Thomas was there. And the time the pass, you know. So, this gonna be like the final call. Yeah, me talk first. Yeah, I know say you want me back, but me talk first. You see the man where you take up, me realize, say, it's a female woman end up there with said here. So fear is fear, one for one. So him dead my girlfriend, me dead him girlfriend. So cause it's a switch rule. You know what I mean? So what me I say to you now, take what you get. Because when you have me, you never know you side and you disgrace me about this and this about that and about house and them something. So now that you make a choice, you have to just live with it. That can't help, man. No matter how you have beg, please. Anyway, the new woman are listening, she are here, but at the type of woman that she know in cussing and she know jump on the phone because she a principal. For you, me know she all over the phone going, but a big woman, you understand? She are here while they attack and it look good. So you may say now, you see that phone, that number you delete it out of your phone. You know what I mean? May not have nothing. You make your choice, you move on, make good, but now you can't do again. You know what I mean? You run away, turn where you're there. One for one. Delete the number. You see, you hear them something there?
Me hear her. With a nice man like you, she gone left.
She good, man, she good.
Ever hear you saying? What some people take for garbage, you know, is the next woman treasure. So right you know, it's a lucky thing so that the youth they gonna left me. It's me who meet you.
Right now, more you breathe before Easter come.
But right now, I breathe because a long time I want him breathe me, but you know.
Lock that door, they must start for.
Right now. Jaja! That part there.
No, woman, no. You not done?
No.
Boy. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, I hear you, but hear me I say now. Hello. Yo. Yeah, but we don't want to shoot now. Yeah, man, glory be to the most. Yeah. Hello, miss. We say now. Talk up. Now I know a good time for this now, but let me talk first. Because me can't do back again now. Kai, you get a chance, Kai. Kai, let me talk. Because when you have me, I mean, I go to work, but sleep on myself and just have money, have food and everything. You still remember about the house, board house this. And I just start from. So me now this board house. Let me get a wall house and build a wall house. But still now this board house. I actually today now surviving now. So you take over things them and you move gone, Kai. So now that you choose to run away and go up, you stay the man you up there with. You realize that the same man you run with a female woman. I come up a St. Thomas can get. So right now me and a female woman down here and she the right side of me now, but a big woman. She now go jump on the phone and cuss you like how you are going. You know no position, no farmer position. If you have demands me and say you want me back and you must. No, that's not in our play. She's a big woman, but this a big woman I never know she warrior. She love fight. So you better behave yourself. You know what I mean? Don't come back down here, delete the number here. If you know a good feel, delete the number here, because this big woman I have here, she's a mad woman, she'll kill you big. You hear me? Kai, delete my number and stop begging me because it's over, because you don't get a chance and you make a choice. So that the man that take you from me or you, when I wish on the way they me take. But me take few woman down here now and few woman a good sense of a woman. So it won't no match, because it won't no I same thing. So live your life and delete my number. Alright? Sorry about that. So you hear myself and you hear something there?
Me hear her. But I look at things she run a gun let you listen. You get a good man like you.
Yo, cuz what going? There you go on normal, man. So you say, everything good down here?
Kinda good enough.
Action.
What going, cousin?
My name cousin. Wild brain, you know that.
Ready now, bro. Ready, action.
Yo, cuz, what going?
Wild brain, my name. Stop going like that. There you go on normal still. Everything down here.
Action.
So you say I go on now?
Boy, brother, know some have every information about the package. Alright, I know. I time me I wait for running for them. But I know he's a man, you know. I love doing crime there. So, I'm going to bring her with me. What's about that?
No man.
It's a simple mathematics.
I just writing about
If
much
you
enough.
carry it, you know. Ready. You have to carry it. Because right now I'll carry it. Alright, ready.
What do you think I come down here for? A boss is send me down here, you know. You see me? Because I know say a slight. A brain me fly. I think they call me boy brain. I think I'm not normal.
So give me camera look longer now.
Yeah.
Ready now.
But I don't even make I get too scared either. Because I'm not normal. I have a couple of girls down here when I want to go circle to, you know what I mean?
And you hear what? Make sure somebody call your phone, you know. Pick up your phone and answer, because I know you always late.
Brother, everything normal, man. I'm telling you. Probably might just circle Susie up there so and see what she are going.
Circle Susie. So make sure it's ready when I call me.
I ready now. You know real?
No,
I ready now. Action.
I am money we can't come to place so. But anyway, I say man come down.
What you talk about?
Come on again. Me and you in the background. Ready now again. Money. Right now, start it. And ready.
Anyway, I am money we come to there. Soon get someone. But I say man come down.
What you talk about, bossy?
In a bad crew.
But from cousin that bossy.
You always say, show me your friend and me tell you who you are. But show me your cousin and me tell you who you are.
But sometimes you have to have some of them on their foot sometime.
So you go. But anyway, we are going to send Elizabeth. We have to send Elizabeth.
I ready now. And action.
No sir, I am money we can't come here so. But yeah, anyway. I say man come down.
What you talk about, sir?
Bad crew when me seeing right there, sir.
I some cousin that brother, what you talk about bad crew.
They always say, show me your friend and me tell you who you are. Still show me your cousin and me tell you who you are.
You hear now? Sometimes you have some of them people your foot, you know. You see it?
Ready.
Anyway, we are going to St. Thomas. And you see when me are going to St. Thomas, me don't want to see neither you. Me tell you. Me don't want to see your cousin. You going to say me don't want to see neither you nor your cousin.
Alright. Ready again.
Alright. Anyway, we are going to St. Thomas, you know. But me I tell you this. So when you go up there, so, no, me don't want to see no relative. Because it seems like say you will a relative a bad man then.
What's the look for you? Still like you can't much time. You talk about.
I'm ready.
Papa, I'm a cousin that man. Nah, you know, everything govern.
Alright, yes, but still, he still can't come with you, you know.
Everything govern. You must say man not trouble your brother.
You want to work?
Yeah, me want to work.
Alright, come on then.
Start off.
You want to work?
Yes,
Don't mention your cousin again.
No,
Come on, cousin. Go to focus.
Ready? You want to work? Don't mention your cousin again.
Boss is a debate for him and man.
Yo.
Boss.
I'm cutting.
Yes, man.
You see me?
Yeah.
So yeah, but anyways.
No. Ready.
You see what me I tell you say? Eh? Wild brain. You see what the man they pre badness. Well anyway, make sure when time you're ready to go to St. Thomas. You're up and ready. Cause far place.
Me hook.
Alright.
Ready.
Alright, look on.
Alright.
Alright, ready now. Action. Let's go.
Yo,
Well, go on, cuz.
so say no over here start deal with some business, you know.
It's right.
But anyways, I run go for me, I make a run.
Different if I that, you know. You know some Mason Bridge in this.
Eh.
I hit me there now. I
Alright.
work with. Yeah, man.
Yo, like how you take care of my cousin.
Yeah, man.
You see any boy this year? Put on number.
No, take it off.
Ready now. Yo,
Baba cuz.
sister over here start deal with some business, but here what going on now. Yeah, I make her run. You see me? Yeah, I make her
Yo,
run.
different from that, you know some Mason Bridge in this.
Eh,
Yeah, man.
yo, respect man, I like how you teach my cousin trade. I say, any boy this year, take me number. Any boy this year, don't hesitate to call me. Boil brain. Put your number in my phone. Boil brain. Any boy. You might tell her?
Alright, boy, man.
I want some house built in, but me make this man link you when I'm ready. Me link him, I make him link you. I don't know, you have to build up a mansion.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, take care of yourself. Zane,
Alright.
any boy this year.
So,
Me tell him, bro, man. Ready?
this is what me I tell her, say, wild brain. This is what the man think about badness. Make sure when we're ready for St. Thomas, you're up and ready.
I mean, man, ready, man. Ready to call me.
Alright, let's go on.
Alright.
Come back and walk with us. Walk out and walk. Ready now.
The boy brain I hear, you know you.
Calm down. Hey, me know, bro, man. Me ready now. Step back from behind the mic, Sergeant. Right, so, ready now, action.
Yo, you know I come out here, so. You're not here, you know. Forward, no, man.
Alright, let's go.
Go on now, man.
Yo, you tell me if you go on normal, my youth. You really make me along a mash crime, youth. After me tell us when me call you up, you're up.
Listen to me now, man.
Alright, come on, come slow. Ready now. Right, ready now.
Oh, wait, my youth, look how long me I call your phone, brother, and answer
What
your
is
phone.
that then? Fuck me.
Put the focus. Tell my brother, I want to come out there, son. Don't have me.
Yeah,
so
we
just
Alright, run out and come back here. Ready now.
Man, yo, go come out here. Come on.
You don't be here nothing with yourself.
relax, my brother, relax.
Come back, ready now. Action.
Look how long me I call him, my youth. You know what? So I born me go come out here, so in general.
Ready?
I have one scene for shooting. Candy, are you curious? Ready.
You get the package, Joe?
Yeah, man, we get the package, man.
Alright, good. Relax yourself.
Ready, all done.
One normal, man. Last night was a rough night, you know, man. I tell yourself. My girl had me there, you know, man. The girl. Go on.
We don't want to check your team and just broke raps, man.
Brother,
Turn up, bro.
yeah, do.
Alright, just tell him what I tell him and say, yo, make a move for yourself. Ready?
I tell you, my girl had last night, brother. No,
Yo,
but
you know
get
what?
you?
Yeah, me get you, say package job, me can't stay up for so long.
Yo,
Come on.